doing Duff here. Cindy has her Inmotion V5F out of its bra, and she's going to try to affix the ankle pads that they provide that she hasn't used up until this point. She thinks it might help her riding comfort somewhat, so that's what she's doing. I don't know if you can tell where we are from the background. Maybe not. Probably not. We're out at Ave Maria. We haven't been here in a while, so we are here. We're going to ride around. Cindy's never been here with her electric unicycle, only the Segway, so this will be a new thing for her. Doesn't look like it's level there. It's like pointing down. Cindy put her bra back on her Inmotion. She's still paranoid about riding without it. She likes the idea of keeping it nice and clean and scratch-free, but the downside is when you have that bra on, you never see how pretty the wheel is. So. Catch-22. Cindy just navigated a little combination of 90s there to get on this crosswalk. Very good. Left. We're going into North Park. What?
Step in on the correction now.
Flatter and flatter. Yeah. We're now going into a headwind.
Oh my goodness.
Now on B5F. Cindy is on the MSuper. Yeah, it feels less of different than mine. Yeah. Yeah, Cindy is definitely seeing the advantages of the MSuper. Although she gets nervous because she can go faster on it. Back on the windy section. Say hello.
Hi.
Cindy on the MSuper. It's a good turn. Parking area here, so little windy. Showing your Cindy got some more MSuper experience.
Speed was only 6.
Hopefully will be of me opening up my monster tomorrow. And that's it. Till next time. Duffman and Cindy out. Any final words?
I like the MSuper. It's powerful.
Yeah.
I have to say I like it.
Big and powerful.
Big and powerful is nice.
Yeah. Okay, that's it. Hope you have a good weekend.